gotta say, for a small little ice maker, this thing does have some output on it. It's been running all night, and throughout the night I'd get up, empty some of the ice out. So far I've managed to make that much in one night. I'd say it's about 5 pounds of ice. I mean, it claims to make 20 pounds of ice a day. However, if you do that, you're going to have to constantly keep emptying it, because it seems that it only makes maybe a quarter a pound at a time, which is enough for 2 or 3 drinks, and it's constantly making more. I'd say it's about 10 minutes in interval before it drops another batch of ice out of there, which is perfect. Great, nice little ice maker.
The water is poured in the basin here, and then the water is sucked up and fills the tray, and then makes ice.
So it's smaller than I thought it was going to be. Our first little ice cubes. I do love this kind of ice with a little hole in it. So it's been 5 minutes in between cycles. So if it makes, how many ice cubes is that? Not that many. Every 5 minutes. So it's going to take a little while to build up a whole bag of ice. So I've been doing this maybe for about a half hour, and still the water's half full, and I'll show you what I got for ice cubes so far. That's how many. It might have been a little bit less than a half hour. Say about 20 minutes. So I started this about 1:30, and it's about 6:15 right now, and I got 1 bag of ice, and I had to fill this up twice. Just draining the water out.